Account list and basic filters. In TaxDome, an organized, filterable, cloud-based account list allows you to quickly glimpse everything you need to know about your accounts. Clients are the best asset of any business, so we know you need to be able to easily track yours to give them the greatest experience. To get an overall picture of your accounts, go to the Accounts page under the Clients section from the left sidebar to view what's happening on the Accounts page. Filtering your clients list helps you sift through a long list of accounts to find the ones belonging to a certain group. You may need to find all accounts that are managed by a certain team member, don't have a login, do not have the mobile app installed, have overdue invoices or tasks, or contain documents that need to be approved. To filter your clients on the Accounts page, click the Filter button. Let's filter it by tags, for example. You can select one or more tags by checking them here. When using multiple filters with the same parameter, decide which logic will be applied. By default, the All of option will be selected. This means that results shown must contain all selected tags. You can also select the Any of option, meaning that results must match at least one of the selected tags. The None of option will exclude results that match any of the selected tags. For example, if you select tags 1040, Tax, and New Client, results containing any one of these tags will be excluded. The Exclude All Selected option will exclude results that match all the selected tags simultaneously. For instance, only results that contain all three tags together will be excluded. Results containing just one or two of these tags will still appear. You can add as many parameters as you want. For example, we are going to add a team member filter too. If this is a common thing you filter by, then you can create a filter preset to make it easier for yourself. You should then name the new preset and click on Save and Apply. To apply a filter preset, you can simply click on the Presets button and then choose one of your existing presets. To remove the filters, you have to click on the X button next to the filter name and then either remove them one by one or click Clear All. You can also customize your account list in different ways. You can customize the size of each column except for the ID columns. To customize all other columns, click and hold the divider between column names and resize it by moving your mouse. To set up which columns you want to be displayed in the Account List section, click the gear icon on the right of the table. Here you can select the columns you want to be displayed. You can enable, disable, or move any columns you want except for the Name column. After clicking Apply, the table will be rebuilt with new columns. If you're looking for a specific account, you can enter a keyword into the search bar on the right side of the page and press Enter on your keyboard.